Hi guys, my name is Sindurjit and you are watching Iconic Indro. Today it is very special day for me because guess what? Because I have got this. Can you see that? Can you see it? This is Camly certificate. Yeah, I have got this and I am opportunist to get this. Thank you Camly. So it is very precious to me because I have got this Camly certificate, and it is very special to me because I have got this first time, and probably I think that I am the first one to get this Camly certificate. So that's why I am showing you again. Thank you. Thank you Camly. So what is Camly certificate? Camly certificate is a certificate that is provided by the Camly team. What is the criteria or what is the eligibility to get this certificate? Do you want to know what is the criteria for getting this precious certificate? Yeah. The criteria is you have to complete 10 hours of conversation based on English classes in Camly. So this is the only criteria. If you do complete the criteria, that is 10 hours, that means 600 minutes, you have to complete that first. Then you can apply that for Camly certificate. And in this certificate, I read it what is written in this certificate. So I read it. You can see that it is Camly certificate. Then we certify that Indrajit Biswas, that is me, has successfully completed 10 hours of conversation based English classes with native speaking tutors on Camly. So it is very precious to me because I want to get that thing from Camly, really. And yeah, it is situated at San Francisco. Can you see that? San Francisco, California. And I have got this August 6, 2020. And here is the Kevin Law, that is the president and founder of Camly. And yeah, let me show you again. Thanks Camly. Thank you so much. I am very happy with that. Yeah, that is again. Yeah, I have told you that what is Camly certificate and what is the criteria for getting this certificate. And next is, if you completed 10 hours on English conversation based classes with English speaking native tutors on Camly, then you are eligible for getting this certificate. And now the time is how to apply this certificate and how to get it. So let me show you in my mobile screen and check it out thoroughly. First search www.camly.com, then log in with your email and this interface will come out. Let me zoom in. In this page, click on the question mark option. Then the next page will come. Let me zoom in to show you. In this new page, look, the Camly certificate. Upon red button, click on that button. Here comes the new page. Let me zoom in to show you. In this new page, click on that option. Look, access your Camly certificate now. Click on that option. Here comes a new page. Let me zoom in to show you. In this page you can see that I have successfully completed 11 hours. Then click on the download certificate option right here. Then you can download it in your device. Thus you will get this Cambly certificate. The whole process I showed you, and you can follow that and you will get this prestigious certificate from Cambly. Thus you will be able to apply this certificate when your criteria will be fulfilled, and you will get this prestigious certificate like me. Let me show you again. Thank you so much. And I will upload a lot of Cambly video in my channel Iconic Indro. And so I am concluding with this. Thank you so much for your great support and love. And if you are new, give a like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro. So see you soon in my next video. Bye.